Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. Today we're taking a look at a knife that came in the mail today. I picked this up off of Amazon. It is the Artisan Cutlery Sirius, or Sirius. I was very intrigued by this knife. So it is a Ray LaConico design. And as you can see, is the model 1849P. The blade steel is AR RPM 9, which a little research shows that it is a bit of an upgrade to a D2 steel. The blade hardness is 59 to 61 HRC. The material is G10, has ceramic ball bearings and a liner lock. And the process is CNC machine. So it is a drop point blade. The blade comes in at 3.54 inches, and it is a black PVD powder coated blade. And the thickness is 0.11 inches. So you can see our LaConico right there. And it's not perfectly centered, but you do have a copper collar right there and a copper collar right there. And apparently it is a titanium pivot screw as well as a titanium pocket clip. The pocket clip is mostly deep carry, and it is tip up. So that is the blade. And you do have a little bit of billboarding there, as well as serial number and the blade type, made in China. It is the liner lock. Now the hardware here is stainless steel. The closed length is 4.5 inches and the overall length is 8.04 inches. So this has gotten mostly good reviews online. There are some negative reviews, and I can kind of tell right now what those reviews are kind of. The negative reviews are kind of correct in the fact that your thumb is right there in the way of the blade when you're closing it using the little hole there to get to the liner lock, but not terrible. You do have the front flipper jimping, but I can honestly say I'm not good at that. So it does, I do have fairly large hands, and it fits in my hand just fine. No real hot spots, maybe down by the pivot hole here, or not the pivot hole, the thumb stud hole. But for the most part, I think it feels and looks like a solid knife. The again, the blade's not exactly centered, so we may need to work on that. But opens nice, closes easily. Let's see if I have a size comparison. This is the Ontario Rat 1 and the Vosteed Nightshade. So kind of in the middle of the two. Seems fairly sharp from the factory. I guess we're going to do the paper test. Very, very sharp. That's my fault there. This is a post-it note, so it is on the thick side. So pretty good. I found this on Amazon for $55.99. It regularly retails for $70 on Artisan Cutlery's website and other websites. So pretty good buy for that price. I don't think I would want to pay full price for it. and I don't have any experience with the blade steel, but if it is in fact an upgrade to D2, it should be pretty decent. And I'll tell you right now, this is gonna go right in my pocket for tomorrow, and we're gonna carry it for a week or two, see how it goes. So one thing I did notice too, that right out of the box, there is a strong gunmetal or gun oil smell to it. One that I don't typically get when opening up knives, but that's something hopefully that will go away. So as always, I appreciate everyone watching. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you next time.